One of Donald Trump's first acts as president was him signing an executive order saying that if you're an undocumented immigrant in the United States and you give birth in the United States, that child who was born in the U.S. is no longer a U.S. citizen. There were 3 lawsuits: Washington, Massachusetts, and Maryland. In all 3 lawsuits, the judges said that was blatantly unconstitutional and totally against the 14th Amendment and against precedent of cases and laws for the last 150 years in the United States. Trump's argument rests on the actual wording, the first sentence of the 14th Amendment. It says, all persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are U.S. citizens. The claim that undocumented immigrants are not subject to the jurisdiction of the United States and they are subject to the jurisdiction of another country where they came from is the crux of the argument. But undocumented immigrants are subject to the jurisdiction of the United States. If they're found here undocumented, there's laws that kick them out. If they want to get a divorce, they can go into any 50 states and get a divorce, subject to the jurisdiction of the United States. They get into a car accident, they can go into court, subject to the jurisdiction of the United States. The laws apply to them as much as anybody else. Therefore, Trump's argument, to me, doesn't hold water. But Trump is arguing that this injunction should only apply to those 3 states, and in the other 47 states where there were no lawsuits, children born to undocumented immigrants are now illegal. Babies are illegal who are born here. And he's asking the Supreme Court to make that ruling.